So you want to be a natural hair content creator. Here's 10 reasons why you shouldn't. Just kidding. I'm going to give you advice. Play my theme music. All right, welcome to another episode of Claire Hair. We're going to be talking about natural hair content creator tips that I wish people would tell me. And I'm going to let you know by the end of the video, you're going to make your decision if you want to be a natural hair content creator. So first things first, I'm Claire Hair. I've been doing this is going to be, May is going to be year 3. Oh my God. May is going to be year 3. And I can tell you I've learned and amassed so much knowledge and tips. I'm going to let you know. Let's get right into it. Number 1, before you be a natural hair content creator, you got to know your audience. Now, my main thing is that I don't think we're honest about our age group differences because, you know, if you're like, damn, girl, you look young. I was like, I am. But I feel like certain events, we all are not attending. So you're attending a frat party. I'm attending a holiday party with management. Both of these hairstyles are going to be 2 different demographics. So I think the number one things first is know your audience. Like, for example, my age group, which is 25 to 34. I'm just doing the schematics, but my age group 25 to 34, I would describe our age range as younger millennials and older Gen Z. And basically, we want hairstyles that are going to make sense and make sense for the work week, okay? We're at jobs, all right? I'm not going to tell you, put these pink braids in. I'm not going to tell you, do a curling rod, twist out, divided by Bantu, and expect you to be able to replicate that throughout the work week. It's not plausible, okay? So I definitely think knowing your audience, because there's been plenty of hairstyles that I've seen that other natural hair content creators have made, and I'm just like, you're marketing to the wrong audience. I'm grown, okay? I got the biofreeze. Those are cricks and cracks you heard. I got the biofreeze to prove it. We grown. I don't got time to sit up here and do hairstyles that I gotta redo every day. I need something that I can get out the store and go. Get out the house and go. Clock in. I don't have time to do all that extra jazz in the morning, okay? Another thing too is that you gotta understand who's on which platform. Because the number one thing that I wish people would have told me is that certain platforms have certain age groups that are more active. For example, TikTok is for the young kids. So don't be coming on there making a 10-minute tutorial video. They're not gonna watch it. Their attention span is, what was I doing? Their attention span is the span of tension span. By the time the word's over, their attention's already gone. So you better zim zam, think ma'am, and go about your business. YouTube's where you can take your time, go into details. But even then, the people who are active, the age group that's active on here, like, they tired. If they're gonna watch your video, it's because they've always been here, but I'm getting ahead of myself, okay? So another one too is that, for the first point of knowing your audience, is that who's going to spend that money, all right? You want us to spend $1,400 on a specific dryer that's out there everywhere. Who has that in their college years? College years, all I had was the audacity, and it was free, okay? That's all I had in college years was the audacity. I didn't have the money to sit there and buy $1,400 this, $35 conditioner. Like me and Cantu, which Cantu can't do nothing for you, by the way. But me and Cantu, literally, I think a bottle of conditioner was like $7. I bought what's the thing, Eco Styler, a tub of Eco Styler was like $2.50. That's all you can afford in college, okay? That's all you can afford in college. So that's when I sit there and see people, they're just like, oh, you should do this. I was like, you're marketing to the wrong audience, okay? You're gonna be wasting your time. All right, so we're gonna go into the next 2 is trending. You need to see what's trending. Now, I know you're gonna look at my account and be like, oh my God, she only has like 2,000 subscribers. Why should I listen to you? I like to do inflation for views. So technically I have 20,000 subscribers because everybody and their mom and their grandma and their grandma's grandma is on YouTube now. So the numbers are a little bit skewed because back in the day, My 2,000 subscribers would have killed everybody out the water. But I would even say you guys see what's trending, because what's going to end up happening is that you're going to do a hairstyle that no one cares about. And unless you have the backing, which we'll get to that in a little bit, unless you have the backing, like basically longevity on here, you're not going to be able to have anybody who's going to watch it. Okay, so number 2B, because it's still the part of trending, relationships are trending. So unless you want to put your business out there, which I am not a fan of putting your business out there, because I feel like you put your business out there, you're basically allowing everybody to put their, their malintentions on your stuff. So I personally, I'm not a fan of putting my business out there, because it's not that I'm hiding. I have nothing to hide for. Like, this is not witness protection. I'm not hiding. I just don't feel comfortable putting my business out there when I know you people don't care. That same energy, if somebody were to break up with someone, I've seen the way you guys have destroyed couples up and down. Even if I was just like, if I was to release like my personal information, like whether I'm single, in a relationship or not, like I feel like you guys don't really care. I feel like it's just entertainment for you. This is my real factual life. So I don't believe in that, but I have noticed a trend of people growing overnight from doing natural hairstyles to them introducing their partner, or them letting you guys know about their personal status. I've seen a lot of increase in growth on these channels, which I'm happy for them. I'm not hating. I'm just pointing out trends. I get paid to do this at work. I'm just pointing out a particular pattern that I've noticed, is that once they release that information, all of a sudden their channel grows, because what? Y'all nosy. So I just don't see how you can say that putting a relationship through your channel is not going to grow it. It is. It's going to blow it up, but at what cost? So, oh, the real villain of this year is this pollen, baby. The real villain of this year is this pollen. Number 2, new hairstyle. So I feel like everybody has seen every hairstyle that has ever been known to man. And apparently everybody knows how to do it. I don't think people are watching tutorials, anymore. That's gonna get to my next point of if you've already been here, but I don't think people are watching tutorials. I feel like if they do watch the tutorial, they don't commit to the person, they go about the business. Like, they just go about their business and keep going. But I personally think that unless you are a innovator who has celebrity backing for a hairstyle, it's not gonna grow. I feel like faux locks with Megan Good, when she did that, I feel like it exploded. Like, I'm not trying to say she invented it, because Miss Erykah Badu and the Lauryn Hill were out there definitely for sure, putting it out there and making it popularized. But at the end of the day, the moment Megan Good put them faux locks in, everybody wanted them. And then she had the audacity to shave the side of her head when she knows she got a cute head shape, and the rest of us melons, we cannot rock that. So when she shaved her head and came through with the side shaved hair with the faux locks, everybody got them. So that's why I said, I was like, unless you have celebrity backing, you're gonna have to wait for somebody else to think it's cute, even though you've been doing it for years. So like, for example, if they start doing box braid Marley hair, they copied me. They did, because I literally looked up tutorials for how to do I'm over here slapping my hand because I'm mad. I literally looked up tutorials for how to do Marley hair box braids. Can't find them. I saw 1 or 2, and that's it. Everybody else uses Kinecalon. So if you see the trend being like, we're using Marley hair box braids in 2025, come to this video. I'm gonna tag Marley hair box braids all through here so you can know I did it first. Sorry, Ray J. The spirit of Ray J. Till my son is born. But seriously though, like, I really feel like that's the only way you're gonna be able to trend, is if you already know somebody. Number 3, why should I listen to you? No, that's literally what I have here. As someone I consider myself a new content creator, even though I've been here since 2020. Okay. I would still consider myself a baby content creator, because of the fact that I feel like people know about me, you know. I've had some big content creators comment on my stuff on TikTok, so y'all see me, but y'all don't care. I feel like you have to have already been here. So I wish I had a time machine. Like, if you go back, I was like, if you could just, you know, turn back time and create content before everybody else decided you can make money from it. That's the only way you can truly break out as a star and stay here for longevity. Because when content creator first started, like I said, Natural 85, she's literally the pioneer, period. She Natural 85 and Chic Natural, those two, this is four. I was like, those two literally put natural hair on the map. And I know some people are gonna be like, oh my God, you can't say. I was like, I'm saying it. They are the reason why I have so, like, a lot of my hairstyles and like inspiration and techniques come from them. And I'm not gonna sit here and not give them credit. It literally comes from them, period. It's not a question. I was like, it's not a question. They are literally the pioneers for how to become a content creator, you know? And I feel like a lot of people don't understand that it really takes true grit to come out and, you know, get through everyone, changing with the times. People over here saying that, oh, well, we need something new. Like, they want something new. Like, these are literally these are the OGs of the natural hair community. I might be missing some people, but this is what these are the two people I consider OGs. Like, a lot of my techniques are from them. So I'm their son, okay? Because like, all these girls is my sons, okay? But I would say for certain, like, that's a good question. Like, why should I listen to you? Because like I said, unless you're already here, a lot of people are not willing to lock onto something new, which it understands. Like, if it works, it works. And, you know, they go and travel to their other channels and support them from there. But like, if it works, it works, you know? So, I mean, it's not to hate on the older ones, you know, like, we just got to fight a little bit harder. Like, I wish I would have been creating content alongside them, you know, but we can't build a time machine. A lot of people are loyal to their creators, to the original content creators, but I have noticed that there has been a pull away from the short, so from the longer videos to the short. So I feel like a lot of people are getting their information from the shorts, and like, they get frustrated, like, oh my God, where's the detail? And it's like, they've given you the details for the last decade. So it's like, they've given you the details for the last decade. Like, they've been talking about these details for the last decade. So I really feel like you gotta go based off, not on numbers. I don't think, like, that's to bring to my main point of that is the fact that, like, these are OGs, so they're used to each video is gonna at least hit 100 or 200K, period. But I also feel like you guys are missing out on a lot of cool new content creators who are coming out, and not just myself. Like I said, I've seen some new ones that I'm just like, dang, like, this is unique. Like, this is with the times, you know. This is putting natural hair back on our map, because a lot of people we're losing a lot of people in the wool to the relaxers and the Genico. We're losing a lot of them. But I really feel like there needs to be this judgment of, like, just because there's not a lot of followers on the person's account, just because there's not a lot of views, you shouldn't watch it. Like, some of the tutorials that I watch for like tips or like inspiration, they be having 600 subscribers, 300 subscribers. I like and comment every single time, because I'm just like, I don't care if everybody's watching your video. Is your video good? Like, that's what pisses me off about a lot of people, is the fact that what irritates me the most is the fact that y'all don't understand that just because a lot of people are doing a thing does not mean the thing is correct, okay? Like, it does not mean the thing is correct, but we live in that society where there's a lot of followers. No one wants to be unique. Everybody wants to conform. Nobody wants to do anything that would make them be ostracized. I was like, I'm 5'10". I already stick out above the crowd. Like, I was like, I already stick out above the crowd. Like, I don't know what else I can do. I can't hide. I might as well give them a show. Leo vibes. But it's just, I just really feel like I don't want my smaller content creators, like I said, I'm 2,000. I feel like anything under 10,000 is small. Okay, medium size is da-da-da. But I feel like I don't want y'all to get discouraged, because like I said, it only takes one video for you to go viral. One video, okay? So my final point is conclusion is, do I still want to be a content creator And I was just like, yes, I still want to be a content creator, but I don't consider myself a natural hair content creator, because what you not finna do, I'm not gonna sit here and put these braids in and then take them out tomorrow because I gotta do a new episode for that. Y'all too ungrateful, okay? Y'all too ungrateful. I'm sorry, I'm not doing that. Like, I've seen it where, I've seen it where like, oh yeah, I gotta do a twist out tomorrow for new content. Absolutely not. Y'all are not grateful enough for me. I need for y'all to be scaling from the heavens. Clear Hair just posted. Clear Hair just posted. Did you hear this? Now hear this. Like, I want y'all to scream from the mountaintops. If you want me to redo my hair for some content, I need 1 million views per video. Immediate 1 million views. I released it Tuesday. Monday, I won 1 million views. I'm not redoing my hair for people who are ungrateful for how much work this takes. So I'm going to do hairstyles when I feel like it, when I have an event coming up and I want to film the tutorial, yes. But I don't consider myself a natural hair content creator. I consider myself a content creator who does natural hair sometimes. And I feel like moving away was it was so liberating, because now I don't have to really be focused on that. Because honestly, doing natural hair every day sounds boring, because it is. Like, okay, we twisted the out, we banned the tude, like we've done everything. It's like we've done everything that you could possibly do. Like, I just really wanted to move more towards cosplay, because like I said, like I'm monetized on my Facebook cosplay page. So I don't cosplay, follow me. And it's so liberating. I got monetized on Facebook. In 3 months. I'm on here for 3 years and I have yet to be fully monetized. I'm recognized because I have 800,000 views, but I am not monetized, okay? So that's why I said, I was like, you gotta go where the what money resides. So my irritation is when people say, we don't have any new natural hair content creators. Like, baby, you got to watch us. You have to watch us. I've done 90 different hairstyle videos and y'all do not be watching us, okay? So that's why I said, like, don't be surprised if in 2024, even 2025, there aren't any natural hair content creators where everybody just knows how to do their hair, everything. But that's why I still have my Forever Green Back to Basic videos. So for my people who are now joining it, but it's sad that it's come to a point where we're not doing the detailed steps because you guys aren't watching them. But my thing is, like, I can tell you right now, I can go into a classroom of people that are type 4 hair and maybe 2 or 3 of them know what they're doing. And we're teaching these classes and you're not showing to our class, baby. Like, it's not us being mean, it's not us going on a rant, but like, you gotta attend the class for us to want us to be able to teach it. And as long as there's people who show up for class, I'm still gonna teach, but it's not gonna be something I'm putting my money, energy, or editing time to, okay? I'm gonna put my money where the money resides. Y'all love commentary, but y'all don't want another commentary channel, but y'all do. We have the analytics. Like, the content creators from the past didn't have the analytics, but we do. So that's why I said, I was like, you guys got to really practice your actions. You say one thing and do another. But I would say definitely for sure, if you want more natural hair content creators, there's so many dope ones out there. The best you can do is if you go into YouTube and you put like recent, those are like the new ones. The new babies, we're posting constantly more than the bigger creators because we have to build those views up. But that's why I said, I was like, just make sure if you want something, you have to do something, okay? Don't forget to subscribe, share. It's Claire here. Bye.